Make 250 in 40 minutes, no experience required. This refers to a step-by-step process designed to help individuals earn 250 in 40 minutes without any previous experience, leveraging affiliate marketing and reselling a particular digital manual. The system emphasizes accessibility and immediate action for beginners. $1 Million Strategy Manual, a digital manual that provides the core strategy and scripts necessary to effectively pitch, close, and earn commissions. This manual can be resold by users, providing a direct means to earn $200 per sale. Affiliate offer. The main digital product being promoted and sold, which is, in this case, the $1 Million Strategy Manual. Each sale generates a consistent commission for the affiliate marketer. Earning commissions. The monetary reward received for each sale made of the manual. Commissions are typically high due to the price point and value proposition. Resell rights. The permission granted to buyers of the manual to also resell it further enable them to duplicate the earning process and create chain of income generation. Including primary business link. An additional strategy where can affiliates place their own primary business or affiliate links within the manual, expanding earning opportunities beyond just reselling the manual itself. Step-by-step guide. The detailed instructions are provided in the manual, outlining exactly how to execute the sales process and build leads and close sales methodologically. Sales pitch. A cultivating script or a call used to convince potential buyers of the value of the manual, essential for converting leads into sales. The process identifying and attracting potential interested, so buyers who are interested in the business opportunities or online income. This typically is done via social media, direct messaging, or paid advertising. Call flow. A structured conversation strategy that guides prospect from initial interest through to the close, ensuring highest success rates in closing sales over the phone or messaging or platforms. Time efficiency, a core principle of the strategy, maximizing earning potential within a short period, 40 minutes to an hour per day, making it practical for the people with busy schedules. No experience or degree needed. A major selling point of the strategy, it removes barriers to entry so individuals without formal education or previous sales experience can succeed. Get it into Nexus below, and let's get you started making money. And that extra money. Let's go. Like and subscribe.